In this video we'll demonstrate how to install and configure an EAP in your office or home. First, let's take a look at a typical network topology. The EAP receives data and power from a PoE switch. A computer is required for management, and a router for internet access. Included in the EAP packaging are one EAP, one power adapter, 3 mounting kits, and an installation guide. As an example, here are the steps for ceiling mounting. First, remove the ceiling tile. Next, place the mounting bracket at the center of the tile. Mark 4 positions for the screw holes and 1 for the Ethernet cable to feed through. Drill holes that are 4mm in diameter for the screws and a 10mm hole for the Ethernet cable. Secure the mounting bracket to the ceiling tile using the screws, washers and wing nuts provided. Feed the Ethernet cable through the hole and replace the ceiling tile. Connect the Ethernet cable to the EAP's Ethernet port. Finally, push the EAP until it locks into place.